Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to show battery percentage on iPhone 15 Plus, 15 Pro, or 15 Pro Max. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch it to the end. Like it. Let's get started. If you want your battery charge to show percentages of how much you have left. As you can see, I have it saying 76%. Then you'll need to go to settings on your iPhones or iPads to do that. Scroll down to the bottom. Open up a tab called Battery. And now we've got battery at the top. We can turn off the battery, and it won't show a percentage, and we can activate it. Now we will see the percentage. This is how easy it is to show the battery percentage on any iPhone. If you liked and helped this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Bye, everybody.